Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Akshara IT Foundation. This is Synop, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Yeah, today we are going to discuss about the continuation part of geometry. So based on that complementary angles, supplementary angles. Okay, now vertically opposite angles and linear pair. I hope we already discussed about that complementary angles and supplementary angles. Am I right? Sum of two angles 90 degrees becomes complementary. Sum of two angles 180 degrees becomes the supplementary angles. And linear pair is nothing but a pair of angles on a same straight line. Linear pair. So while you're observing that this word clearly, line, L-I-N-G, line, pair. A pair of angles on a same straight line. Pair of angles on a same straight line are called linear pair, and their sum is nothing but 180 degrees. Their sum is nothing but 180 degrees. Okay, now? So here 50 and 130, these two pair of angles we can consider as a linear pair because they both can make a straight line. Okay, and we already discussed about that vertically opposite angles also. Okay, let us continue the exercise problems here. So that is if an angle is equals to its complement, if an angle is equals to its complement, then the angle is okay. So angle and its complement angle both are equal. So let us take that both angles are x. X and its complement angles also equals to x. What is complement angle? Sum of two angles becomes 90 degrees. So we can take it as equals to 90 degrees. X plus x, 2x value is 90 and x value is 90 by 2, nothing but 45 degrees. So 45 degrees and one more angle, that also 45 degrees. And you should remember clearly, angle and its complement both are equal is nothing but both equal angles. That means sum of both angles becomes 90 degrees. So we can take half of the 90 degrees each angle. Okay. Same way supplementary angles also, half of the supplement we can take, then both of the angles are equal. Yeah, let us go to the second problem. The second problem is given that the ratio of the supplementary angles are in the ratio 4:5. Two supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means what? Sum of two angles 180 degrees. Okay, now its ratio is given. I am taking that first angle is 4x and second angle is 5x. And we already discussed that sum of two angles becomes 180 degrees. 4x plus 5x is nothing but 9x. So 9x value 180 degrees and x equals to 180 by 9. Why I have taken 180 degrees? Because these two are supplementary angles. So x value is 20 degrees I got. But I should find 4x value and 5x value. 4x equals to 4 into 20, that is nothing but 80 degrees. 5x value, 5 into 20, that equals to 100 degrees. Okay, na? So if two angles are the ratio 4:5, then the angles are 80 degrees and 110 degrees. Okay, let us go to the third problem. The third problem is given that one of the diagram is given. It indicates a straight line, and here there are three angles can be appeared in this diagram. Here 70 degrees, here x, and this is 50 degrees. We need to find out the value of x. But here you should identify that while you are observing these three angles, when you add these three angles, one straight line is forming. When you add these three angles, one straight line is forming. So from this we can say that straight line indicates 180 degrees. So sum of these three angles equals to 180. Okay. Now x equals to 50 plus 70, 120, transpose that side, minus 120. So therefore the answer is 60 degrees. 180 minus 120 becomes 60 degrees. Okay, now? So the required x value is 60 degrees. Now let us go to the problem number 4. So in the given figure, AB is a straight line In the given figure, AB is a straight line, and here one of the angle is given that 65 degrees. Here AOB is 65 degrees. Sorry, COB is 65 degrees. Then the measure of AOC. AOC is nothing but this part. Easily we can say, how we can say this one? AOB straight line. Straight line gives how much degrees? 180 degrees angle. Because in a straight angle we discussed already. An angle which measures exactly 180 degrees is called straight angle. Same way, a straight line gives a straight angle, nothing but 180 degrees. So from this we can say that angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 180 degrees. AOC value we need to find, but BOC it is given already 65 degrees, that is equals to 180. So plus 65 transpose, it is minus 65, answer is 115 degrees. So therefore AOC value is 115 degrees. Okay, na? Let us go to the next problem. Problem number 5. Yeah. So this is given that, so in the given figure the value of x, again one of the diagram is given. So AOC is a straight line. Here AOC is a straight line. At O here one more angle given like this, that is B. Its value is 70 degrees it seems, and we need to find this 2x. So whenever you see the straight line, whether it is in horizontal way or vertical way or slant manner, while you are observing a straight line, it gives always 180 degrees angle. Now here from this figure we can write 70 degrees plus 2x equals to 180 degrees, because sum of these two angles make a straight line. Okay, na? Whether it is 2 angles, 3 angles, 4 angles, the combination of angles gives a straight line. We can take that combination or their sum equals to 180 degrees. So based on this, plus 70 degrees transpose minus 70. So 180 minus 70 is nothing but 110 degrees. So from this x value, 110 by 2 is nothing but 55 degrees. Okay, na? So whenever you observe the straight line, we can easily take that sum of the angles on straight line is 180 degrees. Remember it. Next problem. Problem number 6, I think so. Yes. Yeah, that is given that it is also a diagram into mark. So two straight lines are intersect at a point. I told you yesterday, that means in the previous class, when two lines intersect at a point, two lines having a common point forms two pairs of vertically opposite angles, and the two are equal. Opposite angles are equal. That means left side, right side angles equal, and top and bottom angles also equal. So it is given that 65 and it is 3x plus 20 degrees. According to the vertically opposite angles, we can write that both are equal. 2x plus 20 is equals to 60 because of vertically opposite angles. Both are equal. So from this, plus 20 transpose that side minus 20. So 65 minus 20 is 45. X value is 45 by 3 is nothing but 15. Okay? Now 7th question. The 7th problem is given that in the figure x is to y is equals to 4 is to 11. Find a is to b. Same like this. X is to y equals to 4 is to 11. Here x and y, here a and b will be given. Okay? Yeah. Here a, here b. X is to y equals to 4 is to 11. But while you are observing x and y will give you forms a straight line like this. So from this x value I can take 4x, 4 times here, 5 times. 4a I can take, y value is x is equal to 4a, y value is equal to 11a I can take. So sum of two angles becomes 180 degrees. So 4a plus 11a equals to 180. So simply 15a is equals to 180, a is equals to 12. 15 12s are 180. Whenever we get a value 12, then 4a is equal to 4 12s are 48. 11a is equal to 11 12s, 132. So these are the angles. So same way y opposite angle, so b value is 132, a value is nothing but x 48. Okay na? We'll go to the next problem. Okay. So problem number 8. Yeah, eighth problem is given that if two complementary angles differ by 40, two complementary angles differ by 40, then the angles are. So we know that complementary angles are nothing but the sum of two angles 90 degrees. First angle x, second angle y, their sum equals to 90 degrees. If first angle x, what is the second angle? 90 minus x. Okay, na? If you take x is one of the angles, second angle will be 90 minus x, and their difference is 40 it seems. Okay, na? Difference is 40. So x minus 90 minus x equals to 90 degrees. First angle minus second angle gives 90 degrees, sorry 40 degrees. Difference is 40 now. Okay. Now minus 90, minus of minus becomes plus. Here minus into minus becomes plus x equals to 40. So minus 90 transpose that side becomes plus 90, 40 plus 90 is 130, x equals to 130 by 2. So it is 65. Okay, na? And what is the second angle? 90 minus x, that means 65, sorry 90 minus 65. How much? 25. So 65 and 25 are our required answers. Yes, option 1. Let us check the problem number 9. Okay. So the ninth problem is from the given figure BOD. Here one straight line is given here, that is AOB. AOB is a straight line, and here one of the line like this given here 3x and 3x, and one slant line is given, that is x, and here 150 degrees. Okay. So BOD, we need to find BOD. BOD is nothing but x value we should find. Here O will be. Okay, na? But we know that while you're observing AOB is a straight line, so we can easily say that x value is 30 degrees. Because AOB is a straight line. AOB straight line means 150 degrees plus x is equals to 180. Sum of two angles. So first angle, second angle, these two. Sum of two angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. From this x equals to 180 minus 150. Nothing but 30 degrees. Okay, na? We'll go to the problem number 10. Yeah, the 10th problem is given that complement of 36 degrees 24 minutes. 36 degrees 24 minutes. Okay, na? 1 degree is nothing but 60 minutes, you should remember that. 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. So we need to find that complement of 36 degrees 24 minutes. So we know that this angle and its complement angle will give that 90 degrees. Because sum of two angles 90 degrees, then each of the angle is called complementary to one another. So this is 90 minus 36 degrees 24 minutes. Okay. So 90 degrees. 90 minus 36 you subtract. Or else we can write this one 89 degrees 60 minutes we can write. 89 degrees 60 minutes. Here 36 degrees 24 minutes. Subtract. 60 minus 24. 60 minus 24 is 36. So this is 36 minutes. 89 minus 36. This is 53 degrees. So we can write that answer is 53 degrees 36 minutes. That is our required answer. Second option. Same way supplement is given. Supplement triangle is 48 degrees. See, supplement of 48 degrees, 36 minutes, 54 seconds here. Two lines are given in seconds. Same way here, 1 degree is 60 minutes. Same way, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. These are called seconds. Okay, now according to the problem, sum of two angles equals to 180 degrees. Okay, na? So x equals to 180 degrees minus 48 degrees, 36 minutes, 54 seconds. But I am writing this 180 degrees as 179 degrees. In this 1 degree I can write 60 minutes. Again in this 60 minutes I am writing as 59 minutes and 60 seconds. Okay, now I am subtracting this one, that is 48 degrees, 36 minutes, 54 seconds. Subtract. 60 seconds minus 54 seconds is nothing but 6 seconds. 59 minus 36 minutes is 23 minutes. And here 1 degree and 17, 13, 131 degrees, 23 minutes and 6 seconds. Option 1. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. Right. The 17th problem, 12th problem, sorry. Yeah, 12th problem. The 12th problem is given that the complement angle of an angle. So complement of an angle is equal to its supplement of thrice of it. Okay, then the measure of the angle is, the complement angle is equals to, I am taking one of the angle x and its complement angle y. Complement angle is nothing but x complementary angle is what? X complementary angle we can take 90 minus x. X complement is 90 minus x. Okay, na? The complement of an angle, I am taking an angle x, its complement is equals to supplement of thrice of it. Supplement means what? 180 minus x. Supplement of thrice of it. Okay? Yeah, thrice of it. Now multiply here 270 minus 3x equals to 180 minus x. So bring all the variables one side, numerals one side. 3x minus x here, 270 minus 180. How much here? 90. That is 2x, that is equal to x is equals to 90 by 2, 45 degrees. Okay, na? So the required answer is 45 degrees. Let us go to the 13th problem. Okay, na? Yeah. The 13th problem is given that x value 25 then the y value. But it is from the figure, that is 2y plus 5 and here it is 3x. And also x value is 25 it seems. X value is 25, we need to find the Y value. And this is a straight line, we know that sum of two angles is 180 degrees. So I can write 2y plus 5 plus 3x equals to 180 degrees. And we already know the X value is 25. Substitute here. 325s are 75. Okay, 75 plus 5 is 80. Okay, so 2y plus 80 transpose that side minus 80. 180 minus 80 is 100. Y value 100 by 2 is nothing but 50 degrees. So our required answer is 50 degrees. Now coming to the question number 14. Okay, the 14th question, in the given figure xy and mn are intersecting at O. xy is a horizontal line and mn is a slant line. Both are intersecting at O and POY is 90 degrees. So one of the perpendicular line is given. See here PO and Y. This is 90 degrees. And A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Yeah, this is A and it is B. 2 is to 3. And C value we need to find. C value we need to find. Yeah. So your information A is to B equals to 2 is to 3. And XOY is a straight line and it is 90 degrees. Okay, na? On a straight line, sum of three angles equals to 180 degrees. And where is the C? C is here. This is the C. Okay, na? And I am taking that A value is 2x, B value is 3x plus 90 degrees equals to 180 because sum of three angles, sum of angles on a straight line 180 degrees. So this is 5x plus 90 transpose the side minus 90, 180 minus 90 is 90. X value 90 by 5, nothing but 18 degrees. So if X value 18, then A value 2x, 2 18s are 36, B value is 3x, 3 18s are 54. So when you are observing again this line, MON line, we know that angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, na? B value already we know that 54 degrees. That 54 degrees transpose outside minus 54, then 180 minus 54 how much? 180 minus 60, 120, yeah, 126 degrees. Angle C equals to 126 degrees. Let us go to the next problem. Okay, na? The 15th problem, yeah. I think 15th problem same like this one only. So try to check that ratios and identify the values. Now 16th. Yeah, A minus 2B value is 30 and then A and B value are respectively. Here 16th I am telling you. So it is given that from the diagram it is A and B. And also given that A minus 2B equals to 30 degrees. We need to find the A and B value from the given figure. From the figure value observing A plus B 180, am I right? A plus B equals to 180 degrees because of a straight line. Here from this I can write this. I am just using from the first given information. I am writing that A is equals to 30 plus 2B because minus 2B I am transpose, we can write 30 plus 2B. Now this 30 plus 2B substitute in the second equation. In the place of A value 30 plus 2B and B value is B equals to 180. So 2B plus B 3B. 30 transpose that side minus 30. 180 minus 30 is 150. B value is 150 by 3. B value is 50. Now A value. But we know already A value is 30 plus 2B. 30 plus 2B. So 30 plus 2 into 50. 250 is 100, so 130. Okay, na? Now let us go for the 17th problem. So last 4 problems are there. So basic, common basic problems. So try by your own and get the proper answer. Okay, now? So that's it for today, children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.